All right. Good evening, everyone. My name is Miss Johnson, and welcome to Back to School Night for the 2021-2022 school year. The three classes that I teach are Physics Honors, Biology Honors, and Computer Science Essentials. So if these are on your schedule or one of these is on your schedule with me, then you are in the right spot. A little bit about me. My name is Miss Johnson. I received my Bachelor's of Science degree in Biochemistry and Cell Biology from UC San Diego, and I got my teaching credential from Cal State Fullerton. When I'm not teaching, I love to read, go hiking, drink coffee, watch shows and movies, and just adventure around Orange County trying new food. And I'm really looking forward to a wonderful year of learning. You can email me. There are a couple emails there. Caregivers and parents can email me at elise.johnson@sausd.us. And students can email me at my Google account, elise.johnson@sausdlearns.net. We're going to go over some general class stuff, non-specific to the subjects. The first is Canvas and absences. Everything we do in class will be posted to our Canvas course and organized by date. The modules look like this, where we have the episode or lesson and then the date that we started it. Absent students should check Canvas regularly to see what they missed, and they can email me if they have any questions at all. Grading and late work. Students can always improve their grade by revising and resubmitting work as many times as they need to, and late work is accepted with no penalty. So we always want students to be trying their best and working towards their best work and always improving. So we encourage them to revise their assignments and resubmit them to improve their grade. 40% of their grade will come from classwork and process work, and 60% will come from assessments and projects. Now, specifically for our physics course, we've got a few topics that will be covered: energy conversion and renewable energy, forces and motion, forces at a distance, and waves and electromagnetic radiation. The materials that students need every day will be their Chromebook and charger, pencils, erasers, a 100-page composition book, or another blank notebook, and a scientific calculator. There is an online scientific calculator that many students are familiar with called Desmos, and that is okay for them to use if they don't want to go out and get a scientific calculator. We will be keeping a science notebook in our physics class. Students will use a science notebook along with Canvas to complete activities, labs, and practice problems. And again, all instructions for filling out the science notebook will be posted on Canvas. So even though they write by hand in the notebook, the instructions are online on Canvas. Notebooks will be checked and graded every 2 weeks, and the date of the notebook check will be posted on Canvas, and we'll make it very clear to students. And of course, if students are revising and adding things to their notebook and they want to get it checked again, then we can always set that up. In biology, we have our specific biology stuff here. The topics covered are going to be ecosystems, which we're starting now, natural selection and evolution, genetics and heredity, and finally growth and energy of organisms. The materials needed for this course every day are a Chromebook and charger, pencils or something else to write with, erasers, and a 100-page composition book or another blank notebook used only for biology. Students will be keeping a science notebook in biology. They will use their notebook along with Canvas to complete activities and labs. All instructions for filling out the science notebook are posted on Canvas, so even though it's something that they write down by hand, all the instructions are online, so students can follow along if they're absent as well. Notebooks will be checked and graded every 2 weeks, and the date of the notebook check will be posted on Canvas and made very clear to students. And of course, if students are revising or improving their notebooks and would like to get it checked and graded again, we can always accommodate that and set that up. Computer Science Essentials. So this is an elective class. It's an introductory computer science class that begins with visual or block-based coding and then transitions to Python. So there's 4 units. We have creative computing, building with blocks, computing and society, transitions to text, solving with syntax, and computing with a purpose. Every day, students are going to need their Chromebook and charger, pencils, erasers, and their digital notebook that they got from Canvas. A little more about the digital notebook. Students will use it, and it's on Google Slides. They'll use it along with Canvas and their Project Lead the Way online book to complete activities. And students will submit the link to their digital notebook for each activity on Canvas. So all of their work is completed on these digital notebooks on Google Slides. They'll do things like screenshot their code and insert it in there, answer some questions, and then there are assignments posted on Canvas for them to submit the link. Thank you so much for coming back to school night. That is the information I have for you currently. And I'm looking forward to a great year ahead, and I'm excited to be working with all of the wonderful students. If there's any concerns or questions, you can always email me at elise.johnson@sausd.us. Thank you.